Friends, I hope you're doing good today. Oh, this is such a beautiful peacock in my garden. Looks like this peacock has escaped from the zoo to enjoy the weather, just like we all do from our houses. Haha. Do you know, friends, peacock refers to male animals and peahen to females. Together they are called peafowl. Today I will tell you more about peafowls. Stay tuned. There are three different species of peafowl: the Indian peafowl, the green peafowl, and the Congo peafowl. The Indian peafowl, also known as the common peafowl and blue peafowl, is a peafowl species native to the Indian subcontinent. Indian peafowl live deciduous forests, scrublands, and semi-desert grasslands. They roost in trees but scrape holes in the ground underwards to lay their eggs. They are omnivores, searching through leaf litter on the ground for fruit, berries, seeds, flowers, insects, reptiles, amphibians, and small mammals. The green peafowl is a peafowl species native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. It has been listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List since 2009. Because the global population has been declining rapidly and is severely broken due to loss of habitat. The green peafowl is a beautiful bird very similar to the Indian peafowl, but they do not occur in the same range, and some differences are visible in feathers and head pattern. The Congo peafowl, also known as the African peafowl, is a species of peafowl native to the Congo basin. It is one of the three peafowl species and the only member of the subfamily native to Africa. It is listed as in danger on the IUCN Red List. Now, time for a piece of advice. Like a peacock, your beauty is multiplied when you spread your wings and show the world your stuff. Don't be afraid to be who you are. Each peacock feather is flawed and imperfect, but collectively they create something of great beauty. Your flaws are what make you perfect.